Good morning, guys. Today is May the 4th be with you. And you guys know I'm a Star Wars nerd. So today's activity is going to be, we are going to be making lightsabers out of pool noodles, pom-poms, and duct tape. Again, today's a silly day. Have fun with it. We're all in this together. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Jax, go ahead and explain the first step.
Okay, so the first step is you're gonna get your silver tape, which we already have pretty much done, and you're just gonna wrap it around the pool noodle. It doesn't have to be perfectly. It can have a couple little air bubbles,
Wrinkles in it.
But
let me see yours, Victoria. Some challenges, huh? But it's okay. Make it your own. And as you guys can see, I pre-did this. So parents, you would have to pre-cut your duct tape. And it is kind of tricky. It sticks to everything. So, but anyways, so this is step one. And basically what it is you're making the holder part of it. So this is what they're gonna hold. So I would go 2 strands across, and that would be the holder. Victoria, explain step 2.
Step 2, you're going to want to take your black piece of tape and then put it on the bottom of your lightsaber.
Okay.
Just like this.
Ooh, awesome. Okay, and then you're gonna do this 2 times, right?
Yes.
One on the top?
And then one on the bottom.
Okay, perfect. Explain step 3, Jax.
Okay, so step 3 is you're gonna cut out squares and rectangles, and you're gonna put them all around your lightsaber.
Okay.
I put mine in the back, the front, and the sides.
Okay.
Just like this.
So no specific area. There's no wrong or right.
Yeah, there's no wrong or right. You could do them in any specific area.
Right on, Tori. Good job. Awesome. Awesome, Jax.
Thank you.
Got it, Victoria? Yeah?
I need a rectangle.
Okay, I'll cut you another piece. So step 4, explain exactly what we're gonna be doing.
Step 4 is you have to take 2 to 4 pom-poms.
Okay.
And some glue and stick the pom-poms right above, under the black tape.
Okay, so in between the 2 black tapes.
Yes.
Okay, got you. And again, make it your own. It doesn't have to be specific. We already have one pre-done that we have made a while back because we like to play this in the pool. And then I have older children, or actually adult children, and they come and attack my little 9-year-old. And so she has to come in rough and make sure she gets them.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and do yours, Jax.
Okay.
Got it? Okay.
They look like little eyes.
They kind of do, huh? Okay. Cool. All right. Let's see your lightsabers. Let's see, Victoria. Yes. Awesome. And that is it, guys.